Okay, I'm going to show you how to get yourself out of being locked in a room. So I took the knob off and then I tried to stick this thing in there to turn it, but it didn't work and it actually fell through to the other side. So I was locked in without the spindle or driver, whatever this is. And so what I figured out works is if you get toenail clippers, because that's all I had in the room with me, but if you can get some needle nose pliers like this, and you want to turn this little boxy thing right here. So let me show you what I did. I just used the toenail clippers and grabbed on, turned it towards the drawer, and then pulled. Oh, and then it's open. Thank God, I'm not locked in anymore.